Hello friends, welcome to the BD Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today we are going to create a scrolling news using CapCut. Let's start the tutorial together step by step. Start a new project. Go to the library and search for news. I have added one news studio. Now tap on the overlay and add overlay. I have a green screen video which I will use as an overlay. I have created this video using AI characters of CapCut. I have already created a tutorial on how to create AI characters using CapCut. If needed, you can watch the tutorial by clicking the link in the video description. Reduce the duration of the News Studio video. Now select the green screen video and tap on the remove background. Select comma key. Using the comma key, I will remove the green screen. Here, a pointer is showing. Drag this pointer to the green screen. Increase the intensity until the green screen removed. Set the position of the person accordingly. Play the video.
Welcome to the BD Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today, we will learn how to create scrolling news using CapCut. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Tap on the text and add text. I have changed the font type, size and position of the text. Also change the color of the text. I have added background to the text. Change the color, reduce the opacity of the background. I have added some text. Increase the duration of the text. Adjust it with the video. Now I have to add 3 keyframes to the text. Keyframes position depends on the length of the text and the duration of the video. I have added the first keyframe in the middle position. The second keyframe is added in the starting point. The third keyframe is added just before the end of the video. Go to the starting point and hide the text on the right side completely. Now go to the third keyframe position and hide the text on the left side completely. That's all from the scrolling text video.
Welcome to the BD Qtopia video editing tutorial. Today, we will learn how to create scrolling news using CapCut. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.